So today we're going to learn how to count and record in base 5. So what that means is every time I get to 5, I need to exchange to the next hierarchy. Because I don't want to call the digits in base 10, I talk about cubes, rods, flats. Cubes, rods, flats. We have that in the hierarchy material. You can see it. But I don't want to call it a 10 because that is what you use in base 10. So we're going to call them cube, rods, flats. So if I'm going to start counting in base 5, I have 1. This is 1 base 5. It also happens to equal 1 base 10. 2 base 5 also happens to equal 2 base 10. 3 4 If I add 1 more, I have, oh look, I have a rod, a 5 rod. So I move over to the next hierarchy, and I have 1 rod, 0 cubes in base 5, and in base 10, that equals 5. 1 base 5 equals 6 base 10. So if we continue, and let's say I have 2 0 base 5, that would actually equal 10 base 10. And I can continue where if I have 3 0 base 5, it equals 15 base 10. 4 0 base 5 equals 20. 5 0, oh, look at that. Need to exchange, it takes up the same amount of space. So now I have 1 0 0 base 5 equals 25 base 10. So 1 1 1 in base 5 is 25, plus 5 is 30, plus 1 more is 31 in base 10. And we can continue. Let's say I have 1 3 3 1 base 5 is in base 10 125, because that's what 5 cubed is. 3 times 25 is 75, plus 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1, 216 base